Okay, today we are doing some winter cleaning. It is January, I don't know, maybe 20. We have this ugly shed, garden shed in the back of our house, and anything will look better than this. So we are going to attempt to paint. We have brushes, we have rollers, we have semi-gloss white, and we're going to do the doors and probably the arch in a different color, as well as this part that's kind of faded brown. And we are not going to prime it. We're not going to sand it. It's rusty, as you can tell. The roof is all rust. This is kind of funny. This is mandated where we live. We're in a hurricane zone, so this is supposed to save our building from flying away and becoming a projectile. I don't know. Anyway, it did survive Irma, but if winds were ever strong enough, I don't think that would work. I think it would probably just blow into a million pieces. So we've planted some roses around the bottom because it's built on a slant. Our whole yard is slanted. And I don't know if they're going to live or not, but the reason for the slant is for drainage for this little area. Everything is supposed to run into a retention pond, which is just on the other side of that palm. So, if you've seen previous videos, we did a little landscaping back here. We have kind of a succulent garden with aloe, African milk tree, desert cactus, and did a little landscaping over here. And these are just bottle plants, just decorative. I had the one in the middle. I got the two on either side around Christmas, and we finally did find blue bottles, which I wanted to go on these. So, recycle center. So we are going to work on this, spare you the details of the actual painting. The finished product will be the thumbnail. So with that, we will get started. And I do have to admit here, I have never painted anything in my life, so hope it goes well. Okay, so it's already obvious where it has been painted. And even with the rust, with this little roller, it covers it right up. And this is first coat, so we're not going for perfection at all. We're just going for better. See, there's a lot of mildew right here. I have no idea what this is going to look like when it dries, but it's covering the rust and the mold up really well. So, continuing on, and it appears this was gray before, not white, but oh well. Okay, we have a white shed. He doesn't know I'm recording. So this is just first coat. The other side does not look quite as good to me. We haven't done the doors yet because the doors are going to be a different color. But all in all, we're achieving our goal of making it look better. We just wanted it to look better. So, continuing on. Okay, so after two coats, we have a white shed. The doors have not been painted yet. The triangle in the top is not either, because those are going to be a different color. But two coats, We weren't going for perfection, we're just going for better. It is all beaten up, but there is no rust showing through. There's our hurricane cable. And we didn't do the back, and we're not going to. One reason is it's too small to even get back here. If you can see bulging out right there at the top, yeah, our little shed apparently has a leak too. So, plus our neighbors don't even mow their lawns, so they don't deserve to see our nicely painted shed. Okay, so now we have started on the doors, which are kind of a greenish yellow color, and the little archway up on the top. So this is first coat, second coat up here on the top, and we're doing a darker accent color around the door. That was what was brown before. But the paint coverage looks decent all the way around now. Okay, so now we have the yellow put on. I thought it was going to be more of a limey green type yellow. Kind of reminds me of a refrigerator my grandma used to have in the 80s that was purchased in the 70s. But hopefully we're going to remedy that with our last color. Okay, so here is our finished product for now. And I'm not crazy about the yellow, and it's definitely not perfect, but if you look back at the beginning of the video, you will see that it is 1,000 times better than it was before. So once again, we did not prime the shed. We did prime the part that's blue just with white. We didn't prime the doors, those we just painted yellow. So I am happy with it overall. So quick and easy way to paint your garden shed. This took an elapsed time of roughly 2 hours to do. So if you like our videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a great day.